Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And this is a very special video, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys, what we love to do here on Jacqueline's Beauty is simply dive right in. I know we're all dealing with this quarantine, stay in the house, stay safe philosophy, which I think is very, very good, by the way. So I'm going to stay right in tune with that. And what I've been doing, I've been trying to reach out to family and friends that really I haven't talked to in quite some time and just say hello. And there's one thing that I've always done kind of my whole life, and I think it's even more important now to do it, and that's to stay connected. So these are just some tips and tricks that I do that I find really kind of brighten someone's day. I have a plethora of stationery. I love going out, and I used to go to certain stores in the mall. I won't mention any names because they're no longer in business. But, you know, card stores where I could buy multiple cards. I was a member and the whole thing. And I hope that one day we'll have something similar available to us. So as you know, you guys know I buy in bulk. I usually like to stock up. So I got kind of wind of the fact that they were going to shut down some of their stores. And I said, well, let me go and try and support as much as I can till the end. Okay, so I'm going to show you a series of cards that I have and that I send out to friends and family and people that just may need their day brightened a little bit, especially if they've experienced loss during this coronavirus horrible thing, epidemic or pandemic. Then you can send them a little card and say, condolences, happy birthday, I'm thinking about you, I love you, and I miss you. Something along those lines. So here you go. This is one box. I love florals. And this is a writing set, actually. It's really quite beautiful. And I love these decorative flowers. And basically, it just adds a personal touch. It allows you to reach out to someone in your handwriting, of course, and to say, how beautiful is this? To say, I'm thinking about you. I wish you the best. Stay in touch. Loves and kisses, whatever you want to do. And then I love this. They always have a very, very beautiful little sticker that goes on the back of the envelope. Quite nice. This is one of my favorites. Okay. It's 40 sheets and 30 envelopes and address labels. It's so adorable. So here's another one. It's another one, another writing set. And as I said, when I used to go to the mall, I would go into this store. I love that store. I miss this store so much. Anyways, you can find them anywhere. And once things open back up, I pray that there are stores where you can get these nice things. But I have a feeling someone will invent something online where you can print them out at home and or order online. So these are gorgeous. Just beautiful flowers and birds. And just such a girly touch. They are so nicely done. They come with this beautiful ribbon on them. Just special. Really, really special. And then they have the labels that go on the envelopes. If you could see. I'm trying to do this good. Let me see. Pull it back. Yeah. Just beautiful. That matches the stationery. How apropos is that? I love it. And then you have these beautiful, beautiful, it's more like a lilac type envelope. Just special. Just special. So these are just a few. Here's some more. I love Italy, of course. You guys all know that by now. But I also like to get cards that represent a particular region or country in the world. And Italy's been hit very, very hard by the coronavirus, and my heart goes out to every Italian on the planet. And then this is just a cute little representation. It may be a little cafe in Marco Square or Bologna or something like that. It could be in Venice. You never know. But these are beautiful. It's just a beautiful array of cards that you can send out just to tell somebody, I'm thinking about you, I miss you, I love you. Something along those lines. How beautiful. Look at the landscape. Just beautiful. Italy is such a beautiful country to begin with. But then to capture it in beautiful cards and stationaries. Look at this. All about pasta and tomatoes. We know Italians are known for that. Oh, yeah. My favorite place just about on earth. is Venice, Italy. Oh, I love Venice. Look at this. The sunset. How beautiful. And this is a way for you to just escape this pandemic and shut down and send love and wishes to people that you care about. Oh, and this is a beautiful picture of a market in Italy where you can get all the famous breads and cheese and pastas and vegetables. How beautiful. And last but not least, I haven't even opened this. I love these. Oh my God. Okay. And this is beautiful. My husband could really relate to this. It's wine and cheese and fruit overlooking probably Capri or something in Italy. Oh, how beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I must say the Italians do it well. Okay, so my next box, and you can see I have a host of these things. I love them. I literally love them. And my hair's kind of giving me trouble today. Okay, so that just said Italy. So I guess I'm not sure exactly where that was in Italy. I think it represented a few cities. This one here. Okay, now this is all about Venice, Italy. And you see I'm kind of addicted to this stuff, right? Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? These are gorgeous. I've spent so much time in Venice, Italy. You would not even believe. I love going there. Then I would go to Lido del Jesolo and stay there near the beach. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to try and manage this. But these are beautiful. Look at these. Oh, gondolas in Venice. Okay. And then we have a beautiful trattoria restaurant. Venice, of course, darling. Of course, of course. Okay. And then, oh, how gorgeous. Just beautiful. Another view from Venice. A beautiful area. It may even be by the, I don't know where this is. I think this is the back part of Venice. Maybe near the Rialto Bridge. It looks familiar. Oh, it's just beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, and then I have a few more. So this one is, I've never been. I was supposed to go last November, but we didn't go. And now I hate that we didn't go because I don't know if I'll ever be able to go to India now. It's unfortunate. Okay, so then we have India. Ooh, look at here. Beautiful. Oh, okay, let me take a look at a few of these. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay. I'm kind of crazy about this thing. As you can see, and this is not all the cards I have. Oh, how pretty. I haven't even had a chance to open these. Clearly, I've had them for about a year. But because we were traveling so much, oftentimes I forget and I don't make time to send photos. Okay, let's see. How cute. Look at this. How beautiful. The colors of the children's hands, paint all over them. What a brilliant idea. Very creative. Oh, and look at these melons. Oh my God, how gorgeous. And you could send these. I love you. I miss you. I want to see you. Oh, these are the most beautiful colors I've ever seen. So a nice little hello, I'm thinking about you card is always appropriate. And I love spices from India. When I lived in New York, I used to go down to the East Village and I would stock up on spices from all over India. And you maybe pay $2 for a pound or something ridiculous, or at least a quarter pound. Look at these spices. Send this to your grandma. Send this somewhere. Oh, wow. And then, hello. They even have recipes on the back. What? Hello. And look at this last one here. Oh my God, I am just so excited about these. Oh, they're so beautiful. Look. You don't get prettier than that. And then this last one. Oh. Beautiful. Look at it. Wow. Wow. Okay. So then I have 2 more boxes. I'm going to try and get it in this video today. Okay. Are these beautiful or what? How elegant and beautiful is she? Wow. I am just so thrilled by this box of cards. Trust and believe. Okay. Let me see here. gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, I have one more box. I'm gonna try and get it in this video. And it's so cute. Girls hanging out over a cup of coffee, and it says, "What's brewing?" Cute, 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 cute. So don't forget to send your love out to your family and friends and just let them know you're thinking about them with a nice, beautiful card. It's so surprising to get a card in the mail when it's unexpected. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click the JB and subscribe. Click the bell to hear every time I'm uploading a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And check out Jacqueline's Beauty Blog. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.